Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set a default homepage in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful if you want to customize what users see first when they log into Salesforce, whether it's a dashboard with key metrics, recent opportunities, or any other layout that suits your team's workflow. Let's get started. First, you'll need to access your Salesforce setup area. Look toward the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the gear icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Setup. This is your control center for all administrative configurations in Salesforce, and it's where we'll be making the changes to set your default homepage. Once you're in the setup area, you'll see a quick find search box on the left side of your screen. This is a handy tool that helps you navigate through Salesforce's extensive settings quickly. In this search box, type Home. As you type, you'll see results start to populate below. From these results, click on Home. This will take you directly to the homepage configuration settings. Now that you're in the homepage settings, look for a button labeled Set Default Page and click on it. This is where you'll specify which Lightning page you want to appear as the default when users first access Salesforce. It's essentially setting the standard view that everyone will see upon login. You'll now see a list of available Lightning home pages that have been created in your Salesforce environment. Browse through this list and choose your custom Lightning homepage that you want to set as the default. Once you've found the right page, select it. After making your selection, click Next to proceed to the assignment settings. Finally, you'll need to confirm your choice and apply it. Click the Assign button to finalize the process. This action saves your configuration and sets your chosen page as the new default home page for your Salesforce users. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Salesforce homepage experience to better suit your organization's needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.